Welcome to the Deep Dive, where we take an in-depth look at today's most compelling topics in AI.
Today, we're delving into Unsloth, a new tool poised to revolutionize AI development.
The buzz surrounding Unsloth stems from a recent blog post by its creators, Daniel and Michael.
Unsloth focuses on training custom AI reasoning models, but what's truly groundbreaking is its ability to run on common computer hardware.
The blog post highlights that Unsloth requires a mere 7 GB of VRAM to train these models.
This marks a significant departure from previous methods, which relied heavily on expensive specialized GPUs.
Take, for instance, the Tiny Zero project, which used the Qwen 2.5 model and needed two A100 GPUs with a combined 160 GB of VRAM.
In stark contrast, Unsloth democratizes AI development.
It empowers individuals and smaller organizations to actively participate in this rapidly advancing field.
And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Unsloth also enables users to recreate a pivotal aha moment observed by DeepSeek researchers.
They experienced this breakthrough during their work on the R10 model.
This aha moment signified a significant leap in AI research. The AI under development spontaneously learned to dedicate more processing power to problem solving, showcasing emergent reasoning abilities.
And Unsloth users can replicate this phenomenon through an enhanced process known as Group Relative Policy Optimization, or GRPO for short.
What's remarkable is they can achieve this using 80% less VRAM compared to previous methods.
Could you elaborate on what exactly GRPO is and how it contributes to this aha moment?
GRPO is a reinforcement learning algorithm.
In essence, it guides the AI model to develop reasoning chains autonomously.
It accomplishes this by generating multiple response options.
Each response is evaluated based on a custom reward function.
And then the responses that score above average are reinforced.
This means that the AI develops reasoning skills independently through this reward-based system, instead of relying on massive amounts of chain-of-thought training data.
Precisely.
Can you illustrate this with a concrete example?
Let's imagine we're training an AI to solve basic math problems. With GRPO, we don't need to feed it countless examples of step-by-step solutions.
Instead, we define a reward function that assesses the responses based on their accuracy.
So if the AI correctly answers what is 1 plus 1 with 2, it receives a high score.
And conversely, it's penalized for misspellings or incorrect solutions.
Correct. This system encourages the AI to explore different reasoning approaches and refine its processes over time.
Ultimately leading to the independent problem-solving ability observed in the aha moment.
Precisely. The blog post also reveals that Unsloth now incorporates other reinforcement learning algorithms beyond GRPO.
Such as?
Algorithms like online DPO, PPO, and RLOO, further expanding its capabilities.
These advancements wouldn't have been possible without the contributions of talented developers like Keith and Joey, who've played a key role in this collaborative effort.
And the evolution of Unsloth doesn't stop there. It also leverages the vLLM library for significant performance enhancements.
Tell me more about that.
The integration of vLLM delivers a 20-fold increase in throughput.
Meaning Unsloth can process a much greater volume of data simultaneously.
Exactly. It also achieves a 50% reduction in VRAM usage, making it more accessible to users with limited hardware resources.
This translates into remarkable speed improvements. The blog post states that Unsloth can process 4,000 tokens per second on an A100 GPU thanks to its dynamic 4-bit quantization.
What's even more striking is its ability to fine-tune large models, like the massive Llama 3.370B on a single 48 GB GPU.
That's incredible, considering the potential memory limitations typically associated with such large models.
It's a testament to Unsloth's optimizations and the power of its integration with vLLM.
The creators emphasize that Unsloth is not about simply replicating DeepSeek's work with R1 models. It's about providing a framework for transforming any standard language model into a potent reasoning engine using techniques like GRPO.
The potential applications of this technology are vast. The blog post specifically mentions uses in specialized fields like law and medicine,
where custom AI models could handle complex tasks.
Imagine a legal AI powered by Unsloth, capable of analyzing contracts for potential risks.
Or a medical AI capable of diagnosing rare diseases based on a patient's symptoms.
These are just glimpses into how Unsloth could democratize access to advanced AI capabilities across various industries.
The blog post also highlights a key advantage of GRPO.
It eliminates the need for extensive chain-of-thought training data,
which is often time-consuming and expensive to collect.
Users can define custom reward functions tailored to their specific needs,
allowing the AI to learn the desired reasoning process through reinforcement learning.
Exactly. This is a game changer, especially for developers creating AI models for niche applications where readily available training data might be limited.
The developers have taken steps to make GRPO accessible. They provide clear instructions and examples in their blog posts to guide users in getting started.
They recommend using a model with at least 1.5 billion parameters to ensure the effective generation of thinking tokens.
These tokens are crucial for the AI's reasoning process,
And they also advise training the model for at least 12 hours.
giving the GRPO algorithm ample time to optimize the AI's reasoning abilities.
They've even integrated training loss tracking directly into Unsloth, eliminating the need for external tools and streamlining the development process.
The blog post also delves into the technical details of Unsloth's integration with vLLM, the source of its impressive performance gains.
One of the key advantages is the ability to fine-tune and perform inference simultaneously, thanks to vLLM's high-throughput capabilities.
This allows users to test and refine their AI models in real time, accelerating the development cycle.
They also reveal that Unsloth utilizes dynamic 4-bit quantization to reduce VRAM usage without sacrificing accuracy.
This technique selectively applies lower precision to certain layers of the model, leading to significant memory savings.
The developers have meticulously optimized various parameters within vLLM to maximize both RAM and VRAM efficiency, as well as throughput.
They've enabled prefix caching and used the ANACO3 optimization flag in vLLM to streamline data processing.
And they discovered that loading LoRA adapters from a state dictionary rather than directly from disk can speed up GRPO training runs by a factor of 1.5.
These are just a few examples of the meticulous optimizations implemented in Unsloth.
They truly demonstrate the developer's dedication to performance and efficiency.
The blog post concludes with sincere gratitude to the individuals and teams who contributed to Unsloth's development.
They acknowledge the contributions of key figures like Keith, Ed, Data, Mr. Dragonfox, and Joey, all instrumental in expanding Unsloth's capabilities.
They also express their appreciation to the Hugging Face team, the vLLM developers, and the broader open-source community for their invaluable support.
It's inspiring to witness such a collaborative spirit driving innovation in the field of AI.
The creators encourage users to join their Reddit page and Discord server to seek assistance and share their experiences with the tool.
They also welcome feedback and engagement on Twitter and through their newsletter, fostering a sense of community around this groundbreaking technology.
Daniel and Michael, the driving forces behind Unsloth, are clearly advocates for open collaboration and knowledge sharing.
Their transparency and willingness to acknowledge the contributions of others is commendable.
It reflects a deep commitment to advancing the field of AI as a whole.
Unsloth's arrival marks a significant turning point in AI development.
By making these advanced tools and techniques accessible to a wider audience, it has the potential to unleash a wave of innovation across various sectors and disciplines.
Absolutely.
We've explored how Unsloth empowers users to train custom reasoning models on consumer-grade hardware, replicate groundbreaking research like DeepSeek's aha moment, and utilize powerful reinforcement learning algorithms like GRPO to achieve impressive outcomes.
And its integration with vLLM further enhances Unsloth's performance, delivering remarkable speed and efficiency gains.
This newfound accessibility raises important questions about ethical considerations and the societal impact of such potent AI development tools.
As we move forward, it's imperative to contemplate these implications.
What measures can be implemented to prevent the misuse of these technologies?
How can we ensure the responsible development and deployment of AI systems for the benefit of humanity as a whole?
These questions might not have easy answers, but they're crucial considerations as we navigate this new era of AI accessibility and innovation.
We encourage our listeners to explore Unsloth
And experiment with its capabilities.
and engage in thoughtful discussions about its potential impact on our world.
The future of AI is being shaped right now, and tools like Unsloth are putting the power to shape that future in our hands.
I wholeheartedly agree. It's not about simply replicating DeepSeek's R1 models.
It's about equipping developers with the ability to transform any standard language model into a powerful reasoning engine.
Utilizing techniques like GRPO.
The potential applications span a multitude of fields,
The blog post specifically mentions law and medicine.
where custom AI models could tackle complex tasks.
Imagine a legal AI powered by Unsloth, capable of analyzing contracts and flagging potential risks.
Or a medical AI that can diagnose rare diseases based on a patient's symptoms.
These examples offer a glimpse into how Unsloth might democratize access to advanced AI capabilities.
making them available across a wide range of industries.
One of the key advantages highlighted in the blog post is that GRPO eliminates the need for extensive chain-of-thought training data.
Which, as we know, can be very costly and time-consuming to gather.
It empowers users to define custom reward functions tailored to their specific needs.
Enabling the AI to learn the desired reasoning process through reinforcement learning.
Precisely. This is a significant benefit for developers building AI models for specialized applications.
Especially in areas where pre-existing training data might be scarce.
The developers have made GRPO accessible by providing clear instructions and examples in their blog post.
They recommend starting with a model that has at least 1.5 billion parameters.
This ensures the effective generation of thinking tokens, which are essential for the AI's reasoning process.
They also advise training the model for a minimum of 12 hours.
This provides the GRPO algorithm ample time to optimize the AI's reasoning capabilities.
It's clear that Unsloth's creators have prioritized user-friendliness, even for those who are new to AI development.
They've even gone a step further and integrated training loss tracking directly into Unsloth,
Eliminating the need for external tools.
and streamlining the development workflow.
The blog post also provides valuable technical insights into Unsloth's integration with vLLM, highlighting its impressive performance enhancements.
One of the standout features is the ability to conduct fine-tuning and inference concurrently.
Thanks to vLLM's high-throughput capabilities.
This allows users to test and refine their AI models in real time, significantly speeding up the development process.
Another notable feature is the use of dynamic 4-bit quantization.
This technique cleverly reduces VRAM usage without impacting accuracy,
It achieves this by selectively applying lower precision to specific layers of the model.
resulting in substantial memory savings.
The developers have meticulously fine-tuned various parameters within vLLM.
To maximize both RAM and VRAM efficiency, as well as throughput.
For example, they've enabled prefix caching.
And they utilize the Nasho3 optimization flag in vLLM to further streamline data processing.
They also discovered that loading LoRa adapters from a state dictionary instead of directly from disk can significantly speed up GRPO training runs.
By a factor of 1.5, to be precise.
These optimizations underscore the developer's commitment to performance and efficiency.
The blog post concludes by expressing sincere gratitude to the individuals and teams who contributed to Unsloth's development.
They acknowledge the vital contributions of key figures like Keith, Ed, Data, Mr. Dragonfox, and Joey in expanding Unsloth's capabilities.
They also extend their appreciation to the Hugging Face team, the vLLM developers, and the wider open source community for their invaluable support.
It's truly inspiring to witness such a collaborative spirit driving innovation in the field of AI.
Daniel and Michael, the creators behind Unsloth, are strong advocates for open collaboration and knowledge sharing.
Their transparency and willingness to acknowledge the contributions of others is commendable.
It reflects their commitment to advancing the field of AI as a whole.
Unsloth's arrival marks a pivotal moment in AI development.
By democratizing access to sophisticated tools and techniques, it has the potential to ignite a wave of innovation across a spectrum of sectors and disciplines.
We've delved into how Unsloth empowers users to train custom reasoning models on readily available hardware,
Replicating groundbreaking research like DeepSeek's aha moment,
and harnessing the power of sophisticated reinforcement learning algorithms like GRPO to achieve remarkable outcomes,
the integration with vLLM further amplifies Unsloth's performance.
delivering significant speed and efficiency gains.
And with this newfound accessibility, it's crucial to address the ethical considerations and potential societal impact of such potent AI development tools. It's a pivotal moment because it makes these tools accessible.
Right. And with that accessibility, naturally, we need to consider the ethical implications
Of course.
and the potential societal impact.
And absolutely. As we conclude this deep dive,
It's essential to reflect on those implications.
definitely.
What measures can be implemented to prevent the misuse of this technology?
How can we, as a society, ensure the responsible development and deployment of these AI systems?
To the benefit of all.
Exactly. These questions might not have straightforward answers.
But they are crucial considerations as we navigate this new era.
An era defined by AI accessibility and innovation.
We encourage our listeners to explore Unsloth, experiment with its capabilities, and engage in thoughtful discussions about its potential impact.
The future of AI is being shaped right now.
And tools like Unsloth are giving us the power to help shape that future.
Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into Unsloth.
We hope you found this exploration informative and thought-provoking. Until next time, keep learning, keep questioning, and keep pushing the boundaries of knowledge.